Hey, let me see that news.
Yeah. If you get into trouble,
Sorry,
use it.
I didn't mean to knock you off the bed.
Okay, great. Thank you. She can cut tomatoes.
Remember, you are safe within the walls of any house of God.
Okay, thank you.
Ask the walkers
How are
about
you?
Father West.
What did you just say?
Ask the walkers about me.
Ma! Dad, it's Sean! Open up!
Your father passed away a long time ago, Sean. It was like 25 years ago. But he's saying stuff.
Oh, excuse
Doesn't
me.
make any sense.
You like that?
With these two guys,
I...
they're telling us we're in great danger. And about all the crazy shit.
God bless you.
Sean, honey,
Got more in there?
Weird stuff is happening to us, Mom. I don't know if it's a prank. Whether or not to believe these guys.
Ew!
Our house was vandalized.
Sit tight.
There's this thing looking at us from... It comes out of
Need some
nowhere.
more?
And these guys are telling us it's all real.
Any more in there? Oh!
Something's after us. What?
Oh!
I don't know. A gin.
Ew!
What?
Let me jump back around.
What? You know what that is?
Yeah, what is that?
The priest who arranged
What does it
for us
feel
to
like
adopt
if
you.
you get two sneeze on?
He made his promise that he'd always wear your necklace. The verse and the gin. I don't know. I always thought it was a good luck charm or something.
What was his name?
You need
Westhoff.
some more sneezes?
Father Westhoff. Sean, please don't go.
Baby, my father told me to find people that can help me. If what they're saying is true, then I don't have much time. We can't keep talking about this.
We can run. Maybe we can hide.
I'm not the type to hide. You know that.
Sean! Please. Don't leave.